Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to see deleted apps you have downloaded from the App Store. This is great when you want to keep a track of what apps you have downloaded in the past or what you have deleted. So to view this, go into your App Store, then tap on your profile photo at the top right of the screen. From the screen, select Purchased. Here you'll see all the apps you have purchased or downloaded from the App Store. The ones that say Open or Update, it means it is on your iPhone. The one with the cloud icon means you can download it. You can scroll all the way down and see what apps you have downloaded. I started off with the iPhone 3GS in 2009, so I can see all the apps from that time. Where you see no information on some apps, this means it's no longer on the App Store. If you have the same iCloud account on an iPad or another iPhone, you can tap on Not on this iPhone and see what apps you have downloaded in the past on that device. And there you go, that is how to see deleted apps you have downloaded from the App Store. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.